Stop by and take a look at the 2016 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax